everybody, it's Austin with S3 Power Sports, talking about some of the best ways to possibly heat shrink and solder all your connections on your cars, whether it be mud, racing, just general. So to start off with, I like to strip my wire about 3/4 to 1/2 inch, depending on what you're doing, back about so, on both of your connection sides here. Once you do that, you have a good even set. Most time I'll take and split them off in a Y. What that does is, whenever you go to put it together, it kind of keeps you a good baseline. You'll put it together, both Ys like so. Take and twist them on either side. So that way, whenever we go to solder, it's a good even wrap. Now we're going to move on to adding flux to our wire and our junction here. I like using a small screwdriver, makes it easy to add and applicate a good even coat here. Now once we do that, we're going to add our solder after we heat up a little bit here. You don't want to get it too hot, and after that, you wind up with a good solder union. It's not going to break or bind in any kind of mud or race situation. And the best way to protect your junction once you've soldered it is getting yourself some glued heat shrink or whatever heat shrink you can get your hands on. You want to take and slide that over. Now when you go to add your heat, you want to work inwards, outwards, evenly. Low heat, watch it shrink. You don't want to burn the sheathing at all. And you are good to go racing.